When building or upgrading a PC, many people overlook the importance of picking a great PC case based on its airflow and cooling abilities. With such a wide range of cases on offer, it can be hard to sift through them all and find the perfect case for you. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best PC cases you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which gadgets you'd like to see in our next videos. Number 5. Cooler Master H7 EVO. H7 EVO unveils a new era of thermal efficiency through unique features designed to transcend the standards of contemporary cooling solutions. Rediscover PC DIY, a form of entertainment, a polished skill set, an exquisite art form, and a way of living. The H7 EVO is capable of housing up to eATX motherboards, as well as any sized graphics cards in both horizontal and vertical orientations. The size of this thing is a beast of a case that is more than 66 centimeters deep, almost 63 centimeters tall, and about 30 centimeters wide. Plus, it weighs about 25 kilos without any components. So you will need a pretty large desk for this big boy, and you will need a lot of physical strength or at least a friend to help you out to be able to build a system in it and to put it in its spot. But Cooler Master didn't forget about performance with its H7 EVO. It lands at or near the top of our testing charts, thanks to 2 huge 200mm intake fans and a trio of smaller 120mm spinners. Plus, with 18 fan mounts, airflow can get even better. The price tag is $649 US. Number 4. NZXT H7 Flow. This mid-tower case is ready to bring the cool. Featuring a perforated front and top panel alongside widened channels, hooks, straps, and toolless entry, this sleek case will keep any build cool and comfortable while offering plenty of space. With just 2 of the company's F120Q airflow case fans behind a skeletal frame with a perforated front panel, the NZXT H7 Flow manages to deliver excellent temperature and noise level numbers in our testing, beating or competing well against pricier chassis with more fans and glass panels. It's also a pleasure to build in with good cable management, and the price tag actually quite reasonable in this era of seemingly ever-increasing prices. According to NZXT, the H7 series cases can fit eATX motherboards, but as usual, if you genuinely want eATX support without dealing with things like blocked cable routing holes or other serious clearance issues, you should opt for a full tower case truly designed for big motherboards. The price tag is around $200 US. Number 3. Lian PCO 11 Air Mini. Small tower with big airflow, the O11 Air Mini provides a modular design for ATX, MATX, or ITX motherboards. Being all about the air, O11 Air Mini has a spacious interior to accommodate multiple configurations of fan and radiator setups to maximize the airflow. The mesh design on the front, top, and side panels of the O11 Air Mini has been optimized to allow maximum airflow from different sides of the case to the temperatures stable and low. The superfine mesh also acts as a dust filter to avoid dust buildup inside the case. It comes with 2 by 140mm PWM front fans and 1 by 120mm PWM rear fan pre-installed straight out of the box. Get your system up and running faster with ease. The chassis features an unusual side-by-side chamber design, but building in it is a breeze, and its performance is well up to snuff by modern standards. With this many features, great handsome styling, and such value for money, it's a case that easily earns its place on this list. The price tag starts at around $159 US. Number 2. Phanteks Eclipse G360A. The Eclipse G360A builds on the exceptional value of the P360A chassis and sets the bar even higher with more fan locations and 360 radiator support to meet next-generation hardware cooling demand. The metal front panel features Phanteks ultra-fine performance mesh design that combines high airflow performance with dust filtration all in one. With its high-performance design, the G360 is ready for powerful gaming setups, offering 360 radiator options on the top and front while having plenty of space for full-length GPUs, multiple HDD and SSD locations, and a vertical GPU mounting option. Like all Phanteks lighting products, the integrated DRGB lighting is simple to control with pre-programmed lighting effects and requires no software. 3 digital RGB 120mm fans are pre-installed and an LED strip is integrated along the tempered glass panel. Motherboards support up to eATX motherboards. Despite some quirks in its design, the Eclipse D360 is a truly great case for gamers on a budget. The price tag starts around $100. Number 1. Fractal Design Meshify 2 Compact. Our overall experience with Fractal Design's Meshify 2 Compact case was so positive that we had to take a break from creating this review to think critically about what truly makes a case perfect. Fractal Design's Meshify 2 Compact offers an excellent foundation for simple ATX gaming systems and a chassis that will stand the test of time well. Meshify 2 Compact is a high-performing case with a bold, stealth-inspired aesthetic. Its striking exterior features bolt-free, flush-tempered glass, a fully removable top panel granting excellent interior access, and a front USB 3.1 Type-C port. The front nylon filter can be removed for extra airflow, letting the mesh front deal with filtering. The chassis comes from the factory with 3 140mm fans on the intake and one 120mm fan at the rear exhaust, which is very complete indeed. The biggest catch to this case is its slightly steep price and lack of RGB, but we believe it's worth paying just for how well thought out its practical design is. The price tag starts at around $220. That just finished our video. Which one is your favorite? Why not let us know in the comments below, and if you enjoyed the video, give us a like. If you want to see more high-quality videos, make sure to hit that subscribe button and you'll get the latest videos straight to your mailbox. That way, you'll never miss a future upload. See you on the next video.